Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to find hidden low on in iPhone going items anything. So the first one is one of what we have to tap over here in the photos. Now from here you have to scroll down over here. Like this, you have to scroll down. And over here, as you can see under the utilities, we'll be having a section body heater where you have to tap on this one and you have to sign get into this where you enter the face ID or you can use the passcode as well. And right now, most probably the photos that they have, one of the videos that they have edited with me over here. So I got in my case, I'm not going to made any photos or videos hidden as well. It's not there. But in most cases, this will be here. But sometimes this might be end up being having a confusion. So what we have to do, if the hidden section or this particular option is not here, so that is why it's only happens just do the custom. There's nothing demanding. You just need to go back to the settings over here. And from the settings, you have to scroll down and you have to navigate about apps, tap on the apps at the bottom. Now from here, you have to navigate to photos. So just scroll down and navigate to photos over here. And now we have a tab on the photos. Now from here over here, as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see there is an option where it show hidden album. So if it is there off, you'll not be having this particular section under the hidden album under the utilities. So make sure this is turned off. So it is not, this is nothing to banning, just you have to custom whether this is turned on or not. That's all you have to do. Now, in most cases, this can happen. It is quite simple as it is. Having all this video is helpful, and if you find this really helpful, don't forget to subscribe and see you the best video. Bye.